BMW is proud to announce the newest additions to the BMW i brand, the i4 eDrive40 and i4 M50 models. The i4 M50 is the first fully electric performance model to come from BMW M GmbH. The i4 blends the functionality and space of the Gran Coupé design with the instantaneous power delivery of BMW's latest 5th-generation eDrive. Class-leading driving dynamics and long-distance comfort, elegant design, uncompromising workmanship, cutting-edge user-vehicle interface and advanced infotainment and driving assistance technologies all combine to deliver a zero-emissions BMW worthy of the ultimate driving machine moniker. Power is provided by BMW's latest 5th-generation eDrive technology, which combines the electric motors, power electronics, charging system and high-voltage battery. The electric motor, power electronics and transmission share one compact housing, while the high-voltage battery measures only 4.3 inches in height and is mounted low in the floor of the new i4 for improved vehicle agility. BMW Group has been producing battery modules and high-voltage batteries since 2013, and this in-house experience shows, with the latest generation of batteries, found in the i4, having a maximum DC fast charging capacity of up to 200 kilowatts and AC level 2 charging of up to 11 kilowatts. Chassis technology includes lift-related shock absorbers, rear air suspension, electromechanical steering with servotronic function, integrated braking system (DSC), dynamic stability control system and near actuator will slip limitation. The BMW i4 M50 boasts fully electric all-wheel drive, adaptive M suspension with individually configured springs and shocks, specially designed anti-roll bars, and an additional spring strut tower brace in the front end, along with variable sport steering, M Sport brakes, and M light alloy wheels up to 20 inches in diameter with mixed-size tires. The development teams at the BMW Group and BMW M GmbH harness their immense expertise, acquired over many decades of work, for the i4's fine-tuning. An intensive program of testing was carried out at BMW Group's test sites in Miramas in southern France and Arjeplog in the north of Sweden to make sure that motor output, power transmission, chassis setup and body attributes created a compelling driving package. Electric all-wheel drive, wheel slip limitation and launch control. The BMW developed near actuator wheel slip limitation, which in combination with the electric all-wheel drive, enables the car to maintain optimum traction in a straight line. Specially configured for the instantaneous power delivery of electric motors, this traction control system is integrated into the motor management. This eliminates the long signal paths to the control unit for the DSC, dynamic stability control, meaning that the corrective inputs are applied up to 10 times faster than in conventional systems. Near actuator wheel slip limitation is fitted on both the rear-wheel drive BMW i4 eDrive40 and the all-wheel drive BMW i4 M50. The near actuator wheel slip limitation is designed to bring the advantages of rear-wheel drive to the world of electric mobility in the BMW i4 eDrive40, whereas in the BMW i4 M50 it is set up for optimum, rear-bias distribution of drive torque between the two axles. A launch control function is included in the new BMW i4. Activating it allows the driver to accelerate with optimum traction with the accelerator pressed to the floor. Torque oscillations when stationary indicate that the drive system is ready for launch, at which point the full combined output is instantly made available. Rigid body structure and chassis. A rigid body structure is paramount to excellent handling and comfort. The BMW i4 integrates the high-voltage battery into the body structure to further increase its torsional rigidity. The high-voltage battery pack is joined to the floor assembly by means of 22 bolts, while the battery enclosure is also directly connected to the front axle subframe. The BMW i4 comes with a bracing package for enhancing body rigidity at the rear, and with integral shock tower to front end struts at the front, where an aluminum shear panel combines with a high-voltage battery housing to form a load-bearing structural element offering even greater rigidity. Integrated braking system. The integrated braking system helps to eliminate unwanted pedal feedback during brake regeneration. It enables brake energy regeneration at a maximum rate of 195 kilowatts on the i4 M50 and 116 kilowatts on the i4 eDrive40, thereby boosting efficiency and range. The integrated braking system generates stopping power adjusted precisely to the driver's inputs, while producing consistent pedal feel unimpaired by any pulsing as a result of wet road surfaces, significant lateral acceleration or high brake temperatures. Light alloy wheels and more advanced TPM system. The BMW i4 eDrive40 is fitted with standard 18-inch light alloy wheels while 19-inch wheels are optional. A more advanced version of BMW's standard tire pressure monitor is found on the i4. The system sensors relay data on tire pressure and temperature for each individual wheel, which is then processed to generate corresponding readouts in the control display. The tire pressure monitor also factors in specific data on the tires fitted, including manufacturer, dimensions and production date, which can now for the first time be scanned from a QR code at the factory or service partner. Exclusive to BMW, this system simplifies use of the tire pressure indicator in the iDrive menu. In the menu item for tire selection, the driver has only to indicate whether the vehicle is partially or fully laden to view information on both the ideal and current tire pressures and decide whether there is any need to adjust them. A digital tire diagnosis function helps advise the owner of tire whereby processing the data from the tire pressure monitor in the BMW backend together with the pressure, temperature, and wheel speed readings to forecast the remaining tire life. Customers can be notified via the My BMW app, for example, if action needs to be taken. Intelligent lightweight design and optimized aerodynamics. Intelligent lightweight design of the body and chassis allow both the weight and the functional properties of the relevant components to be optimized for superior rigidity and crash safety. The BMW i4 uses an engine side member made from extruded aluminum and die-cast aluminum spring struts. The hood and front fenders are made of aluminum. The exceptionally rigid passenger cell is built from hot-stamped steels and aluminum alloys. EVGO enables BMW drivers to see real-time status of chargers, initiate a session, check their account status, and more, all within the BMW charging powered by EVGO mobile app. EVGO and BMW previously partnered on the Charge Now DC Fast program and are building on their shared history to accelerate the transition to electric vehicles. EVGO's public fast charging network offers the convenience of charging at more than 800 fast charging locations at retail and grocery stores, shopping malls, entertainment centers, and other sites, ideal for quick 20-30-minute errands. Plus, for drivers who will be parked for a few hours, EVGO's relationships with partner networks will provide access to more than 38,000 L2 chargers for drivers, expanding the variety of charging options. With the new BMW charging powered by EVGO partnership, buyers and lessees of qualifying fully electric BMW models will receive $100 in EVGO charging credit that can be used at EVGO and partner network stations across all 50 states. Together, the information display behind the steering wheel and the control display of the BMW iDrive control/operation system into a frameless, single-piece glass surface angled towards the driver. The 12.3-inch information display and 14.9-inch control display effectively merge into a single driver-focused unit. The BMW curved display in the BMW i4 is held in place by a supporting structure that is concealed from the occupant's view and appears to be freestanding in the cockpit. The anti-reflective glass used makes it possible to dispense with the customary binnacle for shielding the readouts from sunlight, giving the cockpit area a remarkably tidy and airy appearance. The rest of the interior design is focused towards providing a richly involving driving experience. The BMW i4 is fitted with standard sport seats and a sports steering wheel with multifunction buttons. The high center console and flowing surface structure running from the instrument panel into the door panels generate a cocoon-like feel in the front compartment. single source. Cutting-edge nanofiber filter technology is used to purify the air inside the car more effectively, with nanofleece and activated carbon layers further improving air quality in the interior. Nanofiber filter technology enables ultrafine dust particles and certain microbacterial particles and allergens to be kept out of the cabin. The preheating or preconditioning function allows the interior air to be purified effectively before the customer climbs aboard. A preheating and preconditioning function is included in the BMW i4. This is activated through eDrive or by smartphone via the My BMW app. High level of acoustic comfort, large glass slide/tilt sunroof. The BMW i4 is fitted with standard acoustic glazing for the windshield, an automatically dimming rear-view mirror and heated exterior mirrors. The standard glass slide/tilt sunroof with a transparent surface measuring 3.6 square feet bathes the interior in light. The 34.1-inch wide and 23 The lighting's distribution, brightness and color scheme can be configured in the eDrive menu. This option also includes the welcome light carpet for the approach to the doors and the dynamic interior light function, whose pulsating light signals indicate an incoming phone call or an open door when the engine is running. The standard BMW Live cockpit professional fitted as standard in the BMW i4 includes an audio system with 10 speakers and a 205-watt amplifier. The Harman Kardon surround sound system, complete with 16 speakers and a digital 7-channel amplifier delivering 464 watts of audio power is optional. Acoustic pedestrian protection and BMW iconic sounds electric. The electric drive system powering the BMW i4 produces not only zero local emissions, but also almost nothing in the way of sound. In order to alert other road users that the i4 is approaching, it comes standard with an acoustic pedestrian protection system. Developed specially for electrified BMW vehicles, artificially generated and emitted through exterior speakers, the sound is active up to driving speeds of 19 miles per hour. It gives the vehicle a brand-typical soundtrack, without impinging on the comfort of those on board. An unmistakable, model-specific acoustic experience can also be enjoyed in the interior of the BMW i4. Pressing the start/stop button sparks an inspiring acoustic accompaniment that builds anticipation for the all-electric driving experience to come. This sound production was created as part of a collaboration between film music composer and Academy Award winner Hans Zimmer and creative director sound at the BMW Group Renzo Vitali. When underway, a drive sound developing a strikingly transparent timbre with spherical components delivers authentic feedback to every movement of the accelerator.